How to send money on Remitly mobile app. So let's get started. First, open the app. Next, go here and click on recipients. Then choose the recipient you would like to send the money, and then just click send money. Here you need to put amount. I'm gonna send him 20 euros. And if you are using this application for the first time, you will get this discount on your fees. You can get this discount again if you refer to a friend this application. I got this video how can you find the referral code, so check it out. And also if you use link in the description and you download the application, you can get this discount as well. Okay, I'm gonna continue the video, put the amount here, check the exchange rate if it's okay for you, and just click continue. Next, you can choose delivery method, so he can cash pickup at Finwise, or you can just simply bank deposit. So we're gonna bank deposit, and now you need to choose his bank. So his bank is this Czechoslovakia business bank. After you put his bank account here, click continue, and now you are ready to go. If you have some additional information you need to write, I think it will be sender details, so you need to put your name, your whole address, date of birth, just to verify you are legit. And the final step is just click send money, and that's it. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel, and see you later. Bye bye.